Logitech has recently unveiled an innovative webcam developed to cater to the needs of educators and content creators alike. Dubbed the Logitech Reach, this device aims to simplify the process of showcasing objects on a desk by providing a flexible and adaptable overhead or close-up view. The Logitech Reach is equipped with a Logitech StreamCam webcam, affixed to a flexible, articulating arm. This unique appearance allows users to smoothly maneuver the camera both horizontally and vertically, ensuring they capture the perfect angle for their content. Additionally, the camera can be rotated and directed at any desired angle, ranging from a straight-down view to a front-facing perspective, granting users unparalleled control over their shots. The Reach webcam proves to be a versatile tool, serving a multitude of purposes such as teaching, content creation, and video conferencing. It is particularly well suited for non-digital show and tell presentations, where the ability to capture objects on a desk becomes invaluable. One of the standout features of the Reach is its ease of use. It boasts a dedicated button for vertical movement and offers lossless zoom capabilities of up to 4.3x, ensuring that even the finest details are brought into focus. To assist users in maintaining an upright image while adjusting the camera's position, the Reach comes equipped with built-in guidance indicators. Setting up and using the webcam is a breeze. Users need only clamp its base securely to the edge of their desk or table, and then position the camera arm to frame the desired object. The webcam's flexibility allows for it to be rotated and angled to accommodate various shooting scenarios, from a direct overhead view to a front-facing angle. Perhaps one of the most noteworthy aspects of the Logitech Reach is its ability to eliminate the need for a secondary camera. With this innovative device, users can effortlessly switch between overhead and front-facing views by simply adjusting the camera's position, facilitating the creation of dynamic and engaging videos with minimal effort. Moreover, the webcam incorporates a clever feature to ensure an upright image, eliminating the possibility of accidental orientation errors. A rotating ring encircling the camera, complete with visible markings, serves as a reference point to indicate the correct orientation without the need to constantly check the screen. While Logitech's latest innovation, the Logitech Reach, has generated considerable excitement among educators, content creators, and professionals, the company has not yet divulged specific details regarding its launch date or pricing. Instead, Logitech has taken an unconventional approach by initiating an Indiegogo enterprise campaign to engage with potential users and gather valuable feedback. While Logitech's latest innovation, the Logitech Reach, has generated considerable excitement among educators, content creators, and professionals, the company has not yet divulged specific details regarding its launch date or pricing. Instead, Logitech has taken an unconventional approach by initiating an Indiegogo enterprise campaign to engage with potential users and gather valuable feedback. This strategic move by Logitech underscores their commitment to delivering a product that truly meets the needs and expectations of their target audience. By harnessing the power of crowdfunding and community engagement through Indiegogo Enterprise, Logitech is not only building anticipation for the Reach, but also tapping into a wealth of insights from prospective users. In conclusion, the Logitech Reach represents a significant step forward in webcam technology, offering educators, content creators, and professionals a versatile and user-friendly solution for capturing overhead and close-up shots with precision and ease. Its flexible appearance, intuitive features, and innovative orientation indicator make it a valuable addition to the toolkit of anyone who relies on visual communication and content creation. I am very glad that you watched this video to the end. It means this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.